The extension to the NANGKYRSOI Secondary School building at KHATARSHNONG was inaugurated by the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, TITOS Khanh, on the 20th of April 2021. The building had been sanctioned under the Excluded Area Central Scheme of the KHADC 2018 to 2019 for an amount of Rs 5 lakhs. It may be mentioned that the parish priest had also blessed the building after its inauguration.
Tu blay belai hingi kabor ki ikhtiar bangin la ban tray ban kata lagi kiti jungi undon rengkat bat phi baro
We welcome you today with song and joyfully. We welcome you with
As chief guest on the occasion, the Chief Executive Member of the KHADC and also MDC of Sora constituency, TITOS Khanh, thanked the Lord Almighty for his blessings and also expressed his gratitude to the management of the school for their effort to uplift the people of the area through education. Khanh also encouraged students to be responsible and obedient to their parents as they would for their teachers. Further, TITOS Khanh informed that efforts are on from his end to improve the infrastructural quality of the school, which is found to be still lacking.
Kalau kebangi IT, hakiki kijong play, ya kebon penyat, ya kening school kijongi, bumdan rengkat, udah mau kredo, jong kening school, udah manu kredo, di play wadan, balong kredo, penyat ya kening school, kanang bangila penyat sakmat. Hakikam bapa. Dengan aku boleh fikir sister barok kemudian hang ni pihak don bon ngot ni bangatip ke kam jong pi kalong ke bakhya pihak ban hiari kini ki pihak iki ram pihak ban let ki shnong ki babon hang ni kathai KHATARSHNONG ban ra ya kata ke jing syai tim ke jong boleh ke ong tolong pi ke jing syai jong ke perthai pilai ke perthai ban ra ya kini ke jing syai pan kelai ki priu pakin sutu sapang kalenti jong kajing sya tu blem don rengkat bat pi mukur khu ye kajing tre ke jong pi mukur khu ye ka nong penya jong school